Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to put date and time on your Instagram story. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and then create a story, which you may do by swiping your screen to the right to activate the Instagram camera. Then take a picture of anything, or you may also choose a media from your camera roll. And then once you have a picture or a video, tap the sticker icon at the top of your screen. So that's the icon with the smiley face. And then if you're looking for a sticker that says the day for today, just look for the day for today. Today is Friday, so I'm just gonna choose that. And then feel free to move the sticker around. And you may also tap on the sticker to change its style. So you may also resize it if you want. And then for the time, just go to stickers again and then look for the time sticker. And again, just the same, you may move it around, pinch it to resize it. And then you may also tap the sticker to change its style. So I would just find a perfect one for me. Unfortunately, Instagram doesn't have a date sticker, so you may add a date by using the text feature instead. Let's just enter the date for today. So just edit the text as you want it to be. Choose a font. You may also remove the background color. So just place it as well where you want it to be. And that's it. Once you're satisfied with your story, feel free to share it to your followers by clicking the arrow icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. And then that's it. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more input. See you soon!